I just woke up from sleep. Good morning. So maybe it's not a morning anymore because I just woke up at 11 a.m. Right now 12 p.m. So I have exam tomorrow and I'm just গতকালকে দুইটা তিনটা question পড়ছি and I have still a lot. So you know the rest of the story, right? Now I'm going to make some chicken soup, so let's go with me. I hope it will taste good, guys. I don't have literally any idea. Just see, look at the mess I have created. I just got this
A few moments later.
I have to study for tomorrow's exam, but the funniest part is কালকে exam শেষ দেখে আমার এখন পড়তে ইচ্ছা করতেছে না, but I know I have to, like I have to lock in, so